Hello and welcome to another A to Z World Foods video brought to you by the Weyburn Public Library and the Estevan Public Library. A to Z World Foods is one of the online resources available through the Southeast Regional Library, and you can find it under the e-resources tab on the Southeast Regional Library website. Today we're going to be making a recipe from New Zealand, cream of tomato soup. Healthy and easy to make, this mildly seasoned soup is frequently enjoyed in New Zealand. Cream of tomato soup can be a light meal or an appetizer and is often served with garlic bread. The recipe serves 6. We are going to be altering our recipe today to suit some dietary restrictions, but feel free to make the recipe as it is on the website. We will have it listed below. Let's find out what we need for this recipe.
To make our recipe today, we are going to need 12 tomatoes, seeded and chopped, 5 tablespoons of tomato paste, 4 cups of vegetable stock, 1 onion chopped, 2 tablespoons of butter, 2 tablespoons olive oil, a third cup of flour, 1 cup of cream, 1 cup of milk, 1 tablespoon of sugar, and salt to taste. The first step is to sauté onion in butter and oil. We are going to skip sautéing the onion because of dietary restrictions, but we will heat up the butter and oil. Next, add your seeded and chopped tomatoes. Cook for 10 minutes on low heat, stirring occasionally. Next, we'll add tomato paste. Mix flour with a little stock in bowl to make a smooth, lump-free paste. Add a little additional stock and then carefully pour back into pot. Simmer for 30 minutes, stirring occasionally. Next, we'll remove from heat and puree. Once pureed, return to pot and warm gently. Add sugar, milk, and cream. Correct seasonings, and then serve hot.
Hope you enjoyed that A to Z World Foods video brought to you by the Weyburn Public Library and the Estevan Public Library. I definitely recommend trying this recipe, cream of tomato soup straight from New Zealand. You can find more information and tons more recipes through A to Z World Foods on the Southeast Regional Library website under e-resources, which is available for free to everyone that has a Southeast Regional Library card. I'm Krista Clemmer. Hope you have a fantastic day and thanks for watching.